monthly planner for the month of February, but without using any color papers or stickers or any fancy things. Stay tuned and watch till the end of the video so that you understand how to make this planner very easily without spending anything. So for the month of the February, I wanted to have this musical instrument. So that I have cut out the template on a white paper. I'm not very good at drawing, so I just made an outline. I found some color paper. This is a magazine, not a color paper, sorry. So just cut out. So you find the space where you can just draw and cut. So these are the paper thing which I have cut out from the scrapbook. So that is not useful. So that is an old magazine. So I have used that to make my planner. So these are very simple. So this is a basic idea. You can cut out any shape or any picture that you want. So you don't need any stickers or anything special. So this is all made out of a scrap, just from the waste. So this outline would help you better. Or you can also use pencil and then you can draw it later with a pen. As I said, I'm not very good at drawing. So this type of planning stickers would help you. So for the special things like, you can get stickers that are available, but I wanted to have a planner which will have my own pictures, whatever the pictures that I want. So that ways, if I wanted to follow that, so I should make my own stickers. So this is one way that I make my own stickers, and these are all the unique ideas that I want in my planner. So you can make whatever the thing you want. So even for drawing these things, as I said, I'm not very good at drawing or writing, but still I can make a very good planner for myself. So I thought that is the reason I'm sharing this with you people. So just watch till the end. So if you watch till the end, so you know what is the process that I'm using in this planner. So always the right side of the notebook is dedicated for the cover page and the left side is for the quote. The quote is optional, but if you write it is just like a motivating thing. So this is very simple thing. So just draw a square box. See, I have this stencil. You can also make stencils with the cardboard or with the cereal box. Just draw and then cut. So it's not a big deal. So make use of these stencils if you have. Even if you don't have, this is not a very good thing. You can just draw it with your hand. Just having stencil would keep your work fast. So I also make other planner videos, so you can just go and check. If you're new, you can just go and check my other ideas where you don't use any fancy stuff, fancy stickers or anything like that. So just the normal sketch pens. If you observe, I'm just using the normal black color pen. So this is one of the stencil that I have collected from a waste, from some slate, I don't remember. So that I thought, okay, these square boxes would help. You can also make this stencil on a cereal box. It is not that difficult. So I just made the square boxes for the monthly planner. I'm using 2 colors. So you can also maintain the theme for each and every month. You can use 2 or 3 colors for that particular month so that you can maintain that color theme. Or you can also have some cartoon theme, or you can also have the spring season, something like that. So it totally depends upon your choice. So this is a very simple drawing. See, I'm not putting much effort, but still by making these simple drawings at the edges will make your planner look more beautiful and bright. So at the end of the day, you have a confidence that you can make it by yourself, that you don't need to be a good artist to make this one. So this is here also, just to show you, I'm using the pen. So this is, I'm not even using the sketch pen. You can also use some red, green, black, blue, and then you can make very good designs. Even with the highlighters also you can make a very good designs. So, and for these are other labels which I have shared this video previously. So these labels are also cut out from the same magazine You can even cut out from the newspapers or anything. Wherever you see the color paper, you can just imagine. So the creativity is left to you. This is just one simple idea. So then as usual, I have this monthly planner with the boxes where I write down the important dates and important like exams or anything for the bill payments, to recharge my mobile, anything that I wanted to remember, anything that if I feel like I forgot, I write down. So these two place is for goals and the to do. So for every month I have few goals, not many, it's 5 or 2 or 3. So I try to accomplish that just by writing down. So the next page is for the habit tracker. For the habit tracker, you need to have boxes. Just like for every day, for every habit, you need to draw 30 boxes. So I thought, why not take this grid book? So that ways it would be very much easy for me. So that is one of the reason that made me to choose this grid book. So I just made few boxes. These are meant to track my habits. For example, like every day, whether you do yoga or you are skipping it. So after a month, you'll get to know how many days you are able to do, how many days you are not able to do, and why. So this is the right side one is the sleep tracker and the other one is the mood tracker. For this is also very simple. You don't need many things, but you can just simply track what you're doing and why you're not doing. At the end of the month, this would definitely help you. And it would also remind you that you need to do this thing. This is left for this day. So the next page is for the weekly planner. For weekly planner, I always make sure that I need much space. Just drawing it horizontally gives me very less space. So I just made it vertical. So in 2 pages, I can make 8 boxes. So for a week, you need only 7 boxes. That is fine. And I can use 1 box for the goals. That is for the weekly goals. So where I break down monthly goals into the weekly goals. So that is very simple and very easy. You don't need to measure so much once you get used to it. So this is it. So you have to do it for the next other 4 pages like this. See how beautiful it is. I didn't put any much effort on it. And my planner is ready. So if you like this planner, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also share it with your friends, which would be helpful for them. So stay tuned and please do let me know if you have done this planner, and that's it. Bye bye and see you in the next video.